Subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. Natural cough remedies. 1. Honey. A teaspoon or two of honey may cut mucus production. Honey also kills germs. But remember, it can cause botulism, a rare form of food poisoning, in babies. Never give it to any child younger than 1. 2. Ginger. Pounds inside ginger root can relax the muscles that tighten your airways. You can eat ginger raw, or you can mix ground ginger root with honey and stir into hot tea. 3. Hot drinks. Hot drinks won't ease a stuffy head, but they can soothe a cough much better than room temperature drinks. Sip on hot tea or water if you're seeking relief. Don't forget to subscribe.